Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Matic from your Arculus wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly, especially with Matic's growing popularity in the blockchain world. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to make sure you don't hit any snags. By the end, you'll be transferring like a pro. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your Arculus wallet set up with some Matic tokens, a verified Binance account, and a stable internet connection. Also, double-check that you're using the latest versions of both apps to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's updated crypto landscape. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app on your device. Navigate to the dashboard and select the Matic token from your asset list. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Tap that to proceed. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. This is crucial. Copy and paste your Binance deposit address directly from the Binance app or website. Make sure it's the correct network, like Polygon for Matic, to prevent any lost funds. Double-check for typos. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount of Matic you want to transfer. Enter the exact figure, and don't forget to account for any network fees. Review the transaction details carefully before hitting confirm. Once you do, your wallet will process the transfer, which might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. After the transfer, head over to Binance and check your account to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Matic should appear in your spot wallet. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep an eye on gas fees to save money. Wrapping this up, transferring Matic from Arculus to Binance is a breeze once you know the ropes. This method keeps your assets secure and efficient, perfect for 2025's evolving crypto scene. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.